telling us a story? Tell us your story. Tell me. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And then what did you do? Oh my goodness. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Are you a good boy? Danish, are you a good boy? Say yes. Yes. Say yes. Don't tell me to say yes, because if I do it, I'll move the camera. Say yes. Are you a big boy? Are you strong? Oh, big muscles. Woo! Uh-huh. Are you a good boy? Oh, more muscles. Say yes. Dana, say yes. You a good boy? Or you just have scary muscles? Okay.
He said yes.
No more muscles. You say mama? Papa? Choo? Choo-choo? You love trains? Dana, no, the trains aren't on TV right now. Dana. No trains right now. Say choo-choo. You love trains? Oh, no more muscles, Jake. Dana, can you say mama? Say mama. Mama. Not Dutch German talk. Choo-choo? More trains? Do you like trains? Do you like trains? No more muscles! Do you like trains? Dana, say yes. No, not no. More? We're having a conversation about a train here, aren't we? Yay! Yay! Good job. You love trains. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Good job. Good job. Say bye-bye.